Welcome to Dancer's Dojo. My name is Q Harper, and today we are doing more breaking. We're going to be getting into our side rock, which is also called a salsa step, and you'll see why in a few. Let's go ahead. Let's break it on down. Side step, okay, aka salsa step, third iteration of our top rock. Okay, we did our forward rock, back rock. Now we're going to add our side rock. We're going to start from the center, all the same, center, and then we're going to step out of our center to come bounce off that foot. Side, back to our center. Side, back to our center. Okay. Most of my weight is still above my center foot, whatever foot that my head is over. Okay. I'm not lean, I'm not stepping all the way out for this. Okay. Now, this is very much related to a legitimate salsa step. You can use a lot more hip drive, basic salsa step, right? And then immediately add your bounce to it. You can tell it's a combination type of movement, okay? Take two different cultures, smash them together, you come up with cool stuff, all right? And that's literally what this movement is, okay? When it comes down to hip hop and it comes down to a lot of fundamental hip hop, you will see a lot of Latin American influences. And that's, to me, that's one of my favorite things about this dance is that it is a melting pot of cultures that came together at a house party or something and created this beautiful thing that we all love to at least watch. Walking it, starting in the center, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now, if you're watching what I'm doing, going to my side, I'm going to go boom, and I'll wind up to shoot out there because I'm still driving. I'm stabbing with my foot, but I am using some hip drive to give it a little more flair and to make it look a little saucy. Like if it's going to be a salsa step, then let's make it spicy. Let's make it something nice. So middle, wind up, stab, middle, wind up, stab. All right. Hands gonna do the same thing. Ooh, ah, boom, 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 boom. Out of all three, this is probably my favorite one because it just feels good to me. Walking slowly, just to get used to it. Now you can still use the same arm movements that we used in all our other top rock variations. But at this point, I do want you to kind of open up and start playing around with it, okay? If you don't know what to do, boom, 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 boom. Those are all your options, okay? But you have freedom to do whatever you want. Do whatever feels good. Try some stuff out. See what happens. If it looks bad, just don't do that move again. Here we go. Slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. All right. That is your basic salsa step or your side step. Let's go ahead, get into it with some music. Counting you in, going slow. 1-8 count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. All right. Let's speed it up. Go into speed. 2-8 counts. We count you in and count you through. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, coolio. I hope that felt good. Doing it again. This time, I am counting you in, but I'm not counting you through. Here we go. Breathe. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Legit, at this point, you have all 3 of your rocking setups. You have your forward rock, your back rock, and your side rocks, also known as your salsa step. Okay, practice these moves, put them together, make sure they feel good. At this point, you're a full-blown top rocker. Legit. Check out our other tutorials, put together your full B-boy or B-girl set, and I will see you in class. Peace out.